graph, we start with making a title. Favorite candy. And then we make a y-axis, which goes vertical, and an x-axis, which goes horizontal. And now we label our y-axis, which is number of candies. And we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we have our kinds of candies, which are Skittles, Hershey's, M&M's, Twix, and Baby Ruth. And our title for the x-axis is candy. So now we fill it in. So 2 people chose Skittles, so we make a 2. We make it all the way up to the 2. And now 1 person chose Hershey's, so now we need to make Hershey's for 1. And 2 people chose M&M's also as well. Three people chose Twix. And 0 people chose Baby Ruth.
So the winner is Twix.
How do we get the median?
First, we list all the numbers. 2, 1, 3, 0, and 2. Then we add them all together. Together, they equal 8. Then we take 8 and divide it by 5. 5 is how many? 5 is how many numbers we have. 5 doesn't take ones, so we put 1 on top. 5 times 1 equals 5, so we subtract that from 8. 3 is the answer. Since 5 can't go into 3, we put the 3 on top of the 5 and make a fraction. The mean is 1 and 3/5.
How do we get the median? First, you list all the numbers from lowest to highest. So 0, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Now you cross off the lowest, and then the highest. And then you cross off the second lowest, and then the second highest. And then you circle the one in the middle. And the median is 2.
How do we get the mode?
First, you list all the numbers. Then you go to each number and ask yourself how many of each there are. 0, there is 1 0. For 3, there is 1 3. For 2, there are 2 2s. For 1, there is 1 1. Which number occurs the most?
2. And the mode is 2.
How do we find the range?
To start, we list all our numbers. 1, 2, 0, 3, and 2. Then we take our lowest numbers, which are 0, and then we have 3 as our highest. Then we subtract 3 minus 0 equals 3. And so the range is